It is time for a tropical weather update. I'm meteorologist Kevin Roth. Happy Monday to you. Let's dive deep into the tropics, talk about what's going on. Two areas of potential development. One of those kind of riding parallel there to the eastern seaboard. It's near Bermuda now, and regardless of any development, it is of no concern to us. The other storm we're watching at the bottom side of your screen, this one's a bit more interesting. You start to see this wave that's rolling off the coast of Africa, pushing towards the Cabo Verde Islands. I do think there is a high chance of development here. Now, officially, it's 50%. But as I look at these long-range models, most of them do develop a storm here, and all of those models that do develop a storm curve that storm to the right or to the north long before it ever reaches the United States. So my official forecast here is that I think this becomes our next named system. It becomes a hurricane, and it curves east, north, and then eventually east before it ever reaches the U.S. However, it's still way out there. That thing is still 10 plus days away from ever making it to the U.S. That means we've got a whole lot of time to sit and watch it, monitor model trends. Overall concern level here is somewhere between low to very low. But as all storms do, it certainly bears watching, especially one that is expected to gradually strengthen. Here's where we are in hurricane season. You can see things starting to climb, right, as we close out the month of August, as we move into September. That's essentially peak hurricane season, and you could say roughly we are in that now. If you're curious where we see storms, typically in the month of September, we've got that path, that main development region curving up along the eastern seaboard, and I think we could see that similar path here with that storm that's developing now. But also, this is a time of year with those very warm waters in the Gulf and the Caribbean, and we'll start to monitor for some potential development closer to home as well. Right now, though, all quiet in the Gulf, nothing to worry about. We're going to keep an eye on things as we move into the peak of hurricane season. I'm ABC 13 meteorologist Kevin Roth, and that is your Need to Know Weather Update.